Hello. Today I'm going to introduce you to Canvas and how to use the discussion board. To begin with, go to any web browser and type in sdccd.instructure.com. You'll sign in with your 10-digit user ID number and your password. Your password will be in the full version, month, day, year. So an example would be 01011948. When you're done, tap on Login. Next, you want to go to your class. You will see an icon similar to this for your class. Click on the icon itself to get to the main page, the home page in the Canvas site. Or if you're going just to the discussion board, you can always click on the little talk icon down here. Once you've come to the site, so I'm assuming you clicked on the icon, you are on the Canvas class site. This site has most of the links that you will need to be successful in your brain fitness class. So if you have never visited it, you might want to go and visit it now and scroll down and see what's on this page. But specifically what you'll be doing is going to the discussion board. So you can see discussion on the left side of the screen. Just click on that. While you're in the discussion board, you're going to be doing three things. You're going to read the post, and you're going to reply, and then I'm going to show you how you can reply to another person's post. So to begin with, you will see lots of different topics included on the board. Click on one of the topics. Then read the information. So some of these have some assignments built in, so you can go ahead and read that. Then to reply, you'll scroll down to the bottom of the post and you'll hit reply. So after you click on reply, you can title it and you can respond to it. So in this case, I've titled what my reply will be and I've done a little note on it, and then I want to click post reply. Now when it's done, others can read the initial post or they can reply to individual posts. So if you are replying to the initial post, you will click on reply underneath that initial post. If instead you want to reply to one of the posts made by your classmates, then you can come down to that post and you would just click on reply. And that's it. So use the discussion board to share ideas, comments, or learn more about weekly topics. Thank you for listening.